Hello, welcome to Shot with Big Shot with me, Geeta Modi. As I enter the 60th year of my life, I'd like to dedicate this special episode to these Wonder Women, these sexy sirens as we call ourselves, and this group of friends who have been a huge part of my life in Surat. The journey so far has been interesting, very challenging, yet thoroughly enjoyable. Though I must give a lot of credit to some of these beautiful souls who have been with me right through the years. Sometimes like my punching bag, sometimes as my safety net, and always as my pillars of strength. And the newcomers to this group have just made all the good times more fun. So we are going to meet this group of friends who are all a different person but yet have such a strong bond with each other. The equation with each other is so beautiful that nothing and no one can change it. We'll meet all of them first and then do a round of questions, and just for fun and just in good spirit. That's all that we want to do because most of these people are facing the camera for the first time. So let's go ahead and meet them. So friends, let's start with Sassy Sadhna. She's a wonderful singer. And at the same time, she has got answers to everyone's issues. She's there to solve it for you. Let's move on to Feisty Farida, an amazing cook and also a very renowned ENT surgeon.
Wow.
That's Farida for you. Let's meet Peaceful Poonam.
Hi.
That's a quiet one. But if she ever answers anytime, it's a sixer.
Yeah, thanks.
And we meet Regal Rama. She runs her own line of double roti, that is baking, and she has some awesome recipes, some healthy ones also, so you must try, especially the bagel in Surat. Let's meet Happening Hina.
Hi.
This grandmother of two runs her business of online selling of clothes for Hinas and also her family very well.
Thank you.
This is Joyce Joy,
Hi.
a businesswoman, but she finds joy in all the little things all around her and even with us. And she is Sensuous Shehnaz.
Hello.
She is a very family person, but at the same time, very different and independent from everyone around her. So this, friends, is my awesome squad. And now we move on with the questions. So friends, come on, buckle up. We are starting with the questions, okay? Okay, if you found tomorrow 18-year-old self, okay, think back that you're 18 and that is there in your body now. So, tomorrow 18-year-old self અત્યારે જઈને શું કરશે?
હું જો હમણાં 18 yearsની થઈ જાઉં, સૌથી પહેલા I will wear beautiful makeup, very micro mini skirt with sticky toes and all my पुराने वाले आशिक जिसने मुझे डेट ऑफर करी थी लेकिन मैं नहीं गई, so I really regret about him. So I will go for that romantic date and especially I will decide on that date. I will never go for marriage and no bacha.
Very good. Okay, Jay, what do you have to say?
હું તો પહેલા છે ને ડોક્ટરને ત્યાં જાઉં અને મારા બોડીને શેપમાં લઈ આવું.
Wow.
That is first work I will do.
Yay!
Wow.
You good girl.
And we will see Jai in bikini.
Yeah.
Okay, Meena.
Yes, I am jack of everything and master of nothing. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे म्यूजिक में मास्टर्स करना है.
अच्छा.
मे बी क्लासिकल वोकल, क्लासिकल डांस.
Wow, great, Rama. So I think, what do you want to be when 18
Yeah,
year old?
I think first thing I will do would join a gym because and bring my health to the path.
Yes, that is important. If when you reach 60, you don't have to think about what happened in the years back. Come on, Poonam, what do you have to say?
I would like to become doctor because that time I was very studious and all, and maybe pediatrician.
Wow.
And what does this doctor have to say?
Oh, I don't have to say anything. I just know what I do. I just become a Kathak dancer. And we were the best Kathak teachers in the dancing.
Yeah, so then she would sing and you would dance.
Yeah.
That's it.
Wow.
That's Sadhna.
At the age of 18, I was a shy girl. તો જ્યારે કોલેજમાં જતી હતી ત્યારે આઈ વોઝ લિટરલી શિવરિંગ. તો तो आई वांटेड टू बिकम अ बोल्ड गर्ल, सो मैं मेरे में थोड़ा बोल्डनेस लाऊंगी तो ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा.
Take tuition for me.
Okay, let's go for the next one. Do you know of any character or anyone whom you know who resembles like a movie star or a movie character?
ઓકે, અત્યાર સુધી મને એવા ટીવી શો કે મૂવીમાં એવા કોઈ મને રિપ્લેસ કરે એવા કેરેક્ટર મેં જોયા નથી. હું જેવી છું તેવી જ રહું છું અને હું મારી જાતને સાધના મારફતિયા તરીકે જ ઓળખાવા માગું છું.
What does Farida have to say?
Whenever I see Geeta, I'm reminded of my favorite actress, Tanuja. So bubbly, so fond of everything, and good acting, good in whatever she does.
She's very bold also.
Very bold, yes, and still acting as if she's not doing anything.
Thank you. Poonam.
I resemble my dad with Sanjeev Kumar. જ્યારે પણ સંજીવ કુમારના પિક્ચર્સ એવું જોઉં ને તો I felt somewhere my dad picture.
Haribhai is present somewhere.
Yes,
As
somewhere.
it is,
Very
he was
good
from
actor.
Surat. That
He
is
is
why.
from Surat.
Yeah, that is why. Rama, whom do you know?
Actually, when I think of somebody, I know somebody who resembles Paresh Rawal of Jiggy.
Paresh Rawal of? Paresh
But
Rawal
who
of?
is that somebody?
नहीं, Paresh Rawal of?
કોણ છે તે તમને કે
Paresh Rawal?
नहीं,
Paresh
Paresh
Rawal
Rawal of?
પરેશ રાવલ
That is my imagination.
She thinks of someone as Paresh Rawal, but she's not telling us that
The
someone.
secret of your life.
Okay, Hina.
Yeah. What was the question? Sorry.
Any movie character or somebody whom you
मुझे
know?
लगता है कि मैं जब भी मैं की करीना कपूर जैसे अपने आप को देखती हूँ, मैं तो अपने आप की फेवरेट हूँ.
Okay, enjoy.
એ નજદીકમાં માર્ક સુબેલ કરીને એક હીરો હતો, એટલે જ્યારે પણ મારા દીકરાને જોઉં છું ત્યારે મને એમ ફીલ થાય છે કે મારો દીકરો માર્ક સુબેલ
Yes,
છે.
but he was a handsome
To
man.
be very,
Yeah,
yeah,
yes,
same thing I
yes,
was going to say.
Yeah.
Very handsome, very.
Very,
yes, yes, yes.
When I watch TV or movie, when I see Maya Sarabhai, I see myself as Maya Sarabhai because she is very classy, very sassy at a time. She is very honest with herself, and she's having very beautiful heart with very straightforward tongue.
Just
So-
like you.
Just like
So
you.
it's
So
me.
we call Shanaz Maya.
Yeah,
Maya.
Shmaya.
Okay. Okay, girls. If you had to start a cult or a movement, what would you plan to start? Poonam, you go first.
Again, please.
Any cult or a movement, what would you like
Okay,
to start?
okay. I think I will do for child begging.
Child
I would-
beggars.
Yeah, I would
Okay.
like to stop
You
them.
want to stop that?
Yes.
What do you say, Farida?
I think there's so much of unrest in the world. I'd like to start something like what Sadhguru does, Jaggi Sadhguru. I just admire what he does.
Okay.
નાઉડેઝ અત્યારે રેપ અને એના કેસીસ બહુ વધી ગયા છે, તો વિમેને કેવી રીતે એ લોકોની અગેન્સ્ટ જઈને કેવી રીતે ફેસ કરવું એ સર્કમસ્ટન્સીસ તે એ લોકોને એ ટ્રેનિંગ વિમેનને આપવી જરૂરી છે.
So you want to start something like
Yes.
that? Great.
In fact, I don't believe in any movement or cult, but with myself only. કે જે રીતે પારસીઓમાં કહેવાય ને ખાવાનું પીવાનું ને મજાની લાઈફ, that same way I will put that thing in myself. I will always be happy. If I am happy from within, then I will make the world
Very
beautiful.
good, very good.
Yeah,
Very
So,
good,
this will
very
be
good.
my moment and cult.
Yes, yes. What about you?
બેટી બચાવો movement.
Wow.
Yes.
He has a beta, but he was
Yeah.
Bachao Beti.
Yes.
Beti Bachao.
बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ.
Yeah.
Yes. Rama.
Actually, I think what Sadhana said, the rape cases have increased. So I think instead of teaching the girls, I would teach the parents
Yeah,
and the
that
boys
too, that
how
too.
to
Respect
deliver
the
their
yes,
boys,
yes,
so
yes,
that
yes, yes,
respect
yeah,
the
yeah.
girls.
Perfect, very good, very good.
Okay, Suresh. So a lot of you are homemakers, and if you had a career, what would you want to?
Me, my career would be a Michelin star chef,
Wow.
like Ramsay Gordon or like the Australian chefs.
Yeah.
Wow.
Nice. And you?
मुझे लगता है जो पैशन है वो ही कैरियर होना चाहिए. So my passion is music, so obviously
Ah.
music.
Music
Something in
and
music.
maestro of music.
મને કોર્પોરેટ લેવલમાં કામ કરવાનું ખૂબ ગમે છે. એટલે કિરણ મજમુદાર એના જેવા કોર્પોરેટ સેક્ટરમાં એક્ઝિક્યુટિવ તરીકેનો રોલ કરવાનો ખૂબ ગમે છે.
Okay. As Hina said, જે પેશન હોય એ જ કેરિયર હોવું જોઈએ. So I will be man first.
Okay.
For this thing. And I will be ladies tailor, specialization in blouse only. And I will really enjoy my career, my job with ladies tailor. And in fact of that husband, I will definitely do CC and I will definitely do જરાક તમારો ઘાઘરો ઊંચો કરો, જરાક તમારો બ્લાઉઝ આવી કરો. Because I will be the man, so be prepared.
What career would you choose, Sadhna?
Basically, I'm a sportswoman, so I will definitely go for tennis career. So I want to become a tennis star.
Wow. As it is, her name in Gymkhana is Sania Mirza.
Yeah, nice. Keep it up. Come on. What says the duck?
I have a career and I'm very, very happy with my career. But if I have to have some alternative, I'd like to do something which relaxes me totally, and that is cooking. So I'd like to be a
of course.
good
Very
cook.
good.
I have my own tea house.
Yeah.
And serve
બધા ખાવાના શોખીન છે.
And you will
એટલે જ્યારે જ્યારે બનાવે છે એમને યાદ કરજો.
આવી જજો. એક વખત રાખી રહેશે.
તારું career?
I would like to make my career in child psychology. I love kids. એમની જોડે રહેવાનું મને બહુ જ ગમે છે. So I love it.
Great.
Okay. Now there's a fun question for you, okay, everyone. If you were a serial killer, what would the modus operandi be of killing your victims? Who's going to go first? Okay, he's going to go first.
सब रेपिस्ट को लाइन में खड़ा करके ठा 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 ठा.
Okay.
હું તો શું કરું કે એને એટલું બધું ટિંકલિંગ કરું કે બિચારો હસીને બેવર વળી જાય ને મરી જાય. સ્વર્ગે સીધાવે. એ ટેરરિસ્ટ હોય છે.
Okay. So now it's me.
Rama, it's you. Come on. How do you kill?
I think I would bake and put poison in it and
Okay.
હું તો સિરિયલ કિલર બનું ને તો 7 ખૂન માફની પ્રિયંકા ચોપડા બનું with my good hot looks. Definitely I will seduce all the rapists first. એને Viagra overdose આપું કે જાતે જ મરી જાય અને I will come really clean out of it. So that will be my strategy. Shehnaaz totally
હું એક બહુ પ્રેમાળ વ્યક્તિ છું તો એને બહુ પ્રેમથી ધીરે ધીરે પ્રેમ કરીને એને મારવાની કોશિશ કરીશ.
Okay. Doctor, you have got all the equipment to kill people. What would
So I will collect all the corrupt politicians in a room and have a lovely musical party. પહેલા મને એમ હતું કે પછી એ લોકોને poison gas આપી દો, but that is a very painful death, I know. So what I'll do is I'll start a gas which will just make them go to sleep, say nitrous oxide or something like that. They'll all go to sleep, and when they're all asleep, I'll put a bomb and blast the whole thing.
Terrorist infection.
Oh my God, what about you?
Actually, I would like to give them good food with hard poison. I want to kill them.
So you two should get together and just poison them. That's it. Yeah. Okay. So if you were a flavor, like if you were some flavor, what would you be?
Lavender.
Lavender. Okay. She went first. You.
Actually, basically, I'm very colorful person. So rainbow color is my favorite. All colors includes in rainbow. Flavor ma I like strawberry flavor very much.
So you would be strawberry.
Yes,
Okay.
definitely.
Okay. No, whatever flavor you want. So you can say any spicy flavor also, no problem.
I would be red lal mirchi, like hot and spicy, attractive and sexy.
Okay.
વેનીલા.
She is good.
मुझे इंडियन फूड पसंद है तो इंडियन फ्लेवर, इलायची फ्लेवर.
Okay. What is your flavor, the baker?
my flavor is cinnamon.
Oh, mine is lemongrass.
Okay.
So everybody, this I didn't know about my friends, okay? So they have a flavor.
You always learn.
Yeah, you always learn.
Stay with us more.
Yeah. How much more?
Wow.
So if you were like a new addition to a box of crayons, like a crayon has a lot of colors. There are big boxes with so many different colors. But what color do you think you would be? Rama, let's start.
I would be yellow, like
A different
sunshine.
color. Can you make a color of your own?
Make a color.
Make a color which is different. Out of you're a new addition to the crayon box. So yellow with what?
Yellow like sunshine, and we like a sunshine in everybody's life.
Okay, yellow like sunshine she is. Come on, Nina.
My all-time favorite white.
Oh, this
Same my answer also.
Smudged with everything.
Yes. This is my.
How many more for whites?
No.
No more for whites. Okay, good.
Even I will
white ही सच्ची उसमें भी ब्लैक में भी व्हाइट है
Only dots.
Okay, what is your
If I will be in a crayon box, so I will make a new color and I will spell it REWHI, Rewhite. So it will be mix of red and white. Red symbolize like very strong, very bold color and very lovely romantic color. As white is symbol of very purity, pure and light color. So I will mix red and white and I will make Rewhite. I will be Rewhite.
So she has a Rewhite. She's a Rewhite.
वो pink बन जाए.
My color is yellow and orange. Yellow indicates, like Rama said, very sunshine characteristic, and orange. Myself, I am very energetic person, and orange also color indicates very energetic
It's a sun color.
So orange she is.
Yes.
Come on.
My favorite color is blue and pink, so I become blink.
Bling. Wow! What a combination!
Yes, Farida reinvent new color.
New colors, yeah.
I will add peach color with lemon yellow. Like me, cool and energetic.
Oh wow!
Okay, friends, tell me, how has this friendship of ours affected each and every one of you? Who goes? Okay.
Actually, my friends, Sexy Siren, our group name is Sexy Siren. My friends have played a very major role in my life. They are my inspiration. Happiness હોય કે સોરોઝ હોય, I share everything with them. અને એમાંથી ક્યાંક ને ક્યાંક મને કોઈ પણ રેમેડીઝ મળી જાય છે અને મને એનર્જી આપે છે. તો they are the source of my energy. That's it.
Okay. What do you say?
I love my career as a doctor and I remain very very busy and I love it. But કોઈક વાર મને when I'm with all these people, I feel so relaxed, so nice. I look up to each one of them કે એ લોકો કેટલું બ્યુટિફુલી એ લોકોની લાઈફ લીવ કરે છે. Will I be ever able to do that? પછી મને એમ થાય કે નહીં, I can't do that. But I sit and admire them. So I love being with you.
You are too busy to do anything besides saving lives and saving
No.
yours and yours.
I love to be with you all. I really enjoy. And when I can't be with you all, in the night I look at all the pictures that Shehnaz puts up and then
Una, what do you say?
Truly adding more life, more happiness, more colors, more lessons, and more everything with lovely friends.
Thank you.
For me, friends means the world to me, and what a wonderful world it is. And especially my friends are psychiatrists for me, gym coach is for me, doctor is for me, beautician is for me, good cook, chef is for me, business advisor is for Jai, beauty tips, Rama is a good cook, and especially my very stress buster is all these friends.
True.
And sometimes, really, I must say, family gives us tension and problem. So I will definitely say with this one line for my friends, sometimes you guys are more than my family.
Wow.
Thank you.
What do you say, Jay?
Feeling bold and beautiful.
मैंने तो इस ग्रुप से बहुत कुछ सीखा है. किसी से बोलनेस सीखी है, किसी से कॉन्फिडेंस सीखा है.
Great.
It's a
So she
life
got up
lesson.
to
Really.
Shell, I think, yeah. Rama, what do you say?
From this group, actually, I've learned what true friendship is. I've learned how to be natural.
Yeah, no
Not
show
to be a
off.
hypocrite.
Yeah,
You
you
should
are
be
what
what
you
you
are. You don't
are.
have to put up a front.
No diplomacy. That's the best part of this. You don't have, you can just be what you
No
are.
backbiting, no show
Truly,
off.
truly, she
Kanchi
said,
bano
in family,
ulti
sometimes
समझ
there
लेते
are tension, problems,
आज
but
भी
here we
आजाद
all
हूँ
have to
दुनिया
relax.
के चमन में
Very
Come
good.
on, come on.
What? No, wait, let's go for one
Okay.
question. What bird or animal do you think you resemble? Okay.
या पिकॉक जब
Okay.
भी मैं पिकॉक को देखती हूँ पंख फैला के जब नाचता है तो वही मेरा वाला फेवरेट सॉन्ग पंछी बनूं उड़ के
आसमान में
आज मैं आजाद हूँ दुनिया के चमन में
That is our signature song.
Rama, what bird or animal do you think you are?
I think I would be an eagle and soar up in the sky.
Yes, you would. What do you say?
Fish.
फिश
I will be 100% lion because my sunshine is Leo and my identity is that only very strong, independent, confident.
Lioness.
Lioness.
Okay,
Or
nice.
Leo. Or
But
what?
she is going to be that family.
Yeah.
वो तो वैसे भी मैन बनने वाला
The
है
same time.
So it resembles more like lion. Lion is they have leadership quality. They are gorgeous. So when I stand in public, everyone's heart goes boom boom like this.
And you are like a queen.
Yeah.
We are like a queen.
Yeah.
The lion will become the queen.
Of course. She is the queen of a jungle and
We are the queen of Surat.
Okay, Farida.
I would like to become a cat. I know Jay will not like. I like to become a cat because it's always cleaning itself. It knows how to look after itself.
Yeah.
She's very clean,
Yeah, very
tidy.
true.
Yeah.
Very
So
true.
I'd like to
True.
become like a cat.
Okay.
I would like to become a rabbit. Who will
Oh.
nothing.
Everybody collect carrots. Speed
Chinese
Okay, the last one. Who inspires you? Come on.
Kids smile and some incidents which can touch my heart and senses.
Okay.
See, not person, not that
Who
person.
inspires you? I know that.
As a teacher, my two professors whom I worked under, Dr. Ruby Udwadia and Dr. Filu Hakim, both extremely classy ladies, very very efficient, very good teachers, and still could stand out in society like nobody can.
Wow.
And as a surgeon, I admire a surgeon from Australia, Peter Wormold. He operates so well, he's so clear in his head. So maybe someday I can even do for 50% what he's doing.
Wow. Great. Sadhna, who inspires you?
I'm inspired by so many surrounded people. જેવી રીતે મારા મ્યુઝિક ફિલ્ડ હોય ત્યાં સ્પોર્ટ્સ ફિલ્ડ હોય કે નાનામાં નાની વ્યક્તિ પણ હોય એમાંથી કંઈ પણ સારું નવું શીખવા મળે તો આઈ અપ્લાય ઇટ એન્ડ અડોપ્ટ ઇટ
True. As Sadhna said, it's really very true. Even I inspire with lots of things, but two persons are there. One is Lord Krishna. I am really inspired, influenced by his law of karma. Whenever I am in some tension or problem or in such certain situation, I really listen to what Krishna said. And the another person in my life is my daddy. He always told me that in this world you have to stay alone. There will be nobody with me, and I have to always fight my own battle. So today I am so much independent, so much bold, so much confident. It's only and only because of my dad.
Very
True. What do you say, Rama?
I know this will sound like it's a cliche or something, but I'm inspired by Narendra Modi, our PM.
Yeah.
Like what he was and what he has become, and the way he projects himself is really
Yeah.
good.
What do you say?
माय नीस भारती की
Okay.
उसने
Yeah, we heard of her.
इंडिया स्टेज में उसने पैर खो दिए अपने लेकिन उसके हौसले देख के
Yeah.
तो जो उसकी पॉजिटिवनेस है जो लाइवनेस है उसमें देख के
It's amazing.
Really very true.
What do you say, Jay?
Sudha Murthy and
Ah.
sister Shivani. એ બંનેના સાંભળવાની એ લોકોના બુક્સ જે લખેલી છે તે વારંવાર વાંચું છું ત્યારે એમ થાય છે કે ખરેખર એ લોકો જે કરી રહ્યા છે તે
Women of
wonderful work
substance.
કરી રહ્યા છે.
Okay, last one word, only one word. What would you not share? One word.
My privacy.
Farida, one word, fast.
I am sharing everything. I don't know what I'm not
One
sharing.
thing which you would not share.
My mom.
Okay.
હું તો કંઈ પણ છુપાવું છું તો મારા પેટમાં દુખે છે એટલે બધું જ બધાની સામે બોલી
Any item which you would not share, fast.
માય સિક્રેટ
My shoes. My shoes.
My purse.
मेरा पति
What would you not share?
My secrets, with some I do, but not with everyone.
યસ
I think I would share my towel.
Even I cannot share my toilet.
Okay, friends, that's a wrap. So, my dear friends, my dear Wonder Woman, my dear sexy Cyrus, this has been an amazing evening, a wonderful gift on my 60th birthday. So, I thank each and every one of you for being the persons you are, for being there in my life, and be
Same
there
here, same.
always.
Thank you. We are really honored.
But Geeta, I just can't understand how you get these brilliant ideas. Every birthday, she comes up with something new. And I don't know how your brain works, how you get so many ideas, and how you make every birthday so exciting. And you make us do things which we have never done in life
Very
before.
true.
I have never seen such a bold and beautiful lady in my life. She takes everything as a challenge, and we are proudly say, I
We're
proudly
very proud
say
to
that she's our friend.
Yes.
100%.
Yes.
And above all, I really feel she is the most honest character, most honest friend of
Yes.
mine.
Thank
Because
you
she is
very
what andar se bahar se.
Very true.
If she is angry, she will never,
I know.
never.
ગુસ્સો પણ સહન કરી લે છે.
એ જે છે એને બહુ લગાવશે, she will show us. એને બહુ ગુસ્સો આવશે,
जब
she
मैं
will
एक बात
definitely
बोलूं,
show us.
जब मैं फर्स्ट टाइम जिंदल गई थी तभी मुझे गीता ने सिखाया डोंट गिव अप.
Yeah.
That is
Actually, she's a real fighter.
She is real.
As we know her story,
Yeah.
she's a real fighter and most
She's an inspiration for us.
Yes,
I'm going
definitely.
to say the same.
Very true.
Thank you.
And Geeta,
Geeta, yes.
તું આજે આ પ્રોગ્રામ કરે તો અમને બી આ મોકો મળ્યો કેમેરાની સામે આવવાનો.
Yeah, so this idea of Short with Big Shot was Nina's, the initially. And then we just made it. Okay, friends. See you soon. That's my group of Wonder Woman for you. I hope you enjoyed as much I enjoyed myself.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So I take your leave now. I hope you enjoyed this episode just as much as we enjoyed ourselves. I'm going to join my friends back there to have fun and have all the birthday celebrations that they have planned for me. See you soon. Until next time, take care, stay fit, be healthy.